Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with day 3 of the 12 days of Christmas jewelry tutorials. I'm super excited. Just posted the haul video from Heidi's Artisan beads, and we're going to be using those to make 4 pairs of earrings. Yay! So let's get started. I have these beads. Actually, this lentil is from the last time I shopped with her. Well, not last time I shopped with her, but one of her last Christmas sales. I got this one this time, and then I found another candy bead. This is from Jesse James Beads. I also got these from Heidi, but I want to save those, and they're a little bit thicker than the others, so I'm just going to save these for next time. With this pair of earrings, I need a ball head pin. This is the easiest one we're going to make today. Well, yeah, I think they're all kind of easy, except for one's a little tricky, but we're going to use some 22 gauge wire as well. So I'm just going to wire wrap this lentil into a dangle. So I've officially started having showings finally after a month and a half of the house being on the market, and 2 were just blah, like we didn't get any feedback, which made me really sad. But today we had one, and they had really good feedback, but they said the backyard's too small for their dog, and that just made me so sad. They said the house looked really great, was decorated really great, and really clean, and that made me happy. But just buy it. Just buy it. I want to get the new house. So anyway, thank you for all of you who have been sending good vibes and prayers and thoughts my way. I need every single one of them. I appreciate you so much. We'll get there. I think it'll happen pretty soon, hopefully. We did lower the price about a week and a half ago, and that's when we really started getting showings. So I'm just really excited. I want to move into my dream home with my mom's not going to be living in the house. There's a separate area attached to the home for her, though. So she'll be able to be close by. All right, so we're going to do the second piece and wire wrap a loop. But before I close it, I'm going to slide on my dangle. Hold this and just do a couple wraps. I could use 24 gauge here because this is 24 gauge, but I pulled out 22 before I could find the 24. All right, so I'm going to make sure that all of the snips are in the back. So I snipped in the back there. I want to snip in the back here. I am absolutely positive y'all are sick of me saying that. You haven't said anything yet, but I get sick of hearing me say it. So, but it's just something that comes out. Then I'm going to slide on this dude. Do another wire wrapped loop at the top. This one I am going to close. And I'm not really paying attention to which way my loops are facing because it just doesn't matter with this pair of earrings. They're just pretty whimsical. And then snip. And then one more piece and do the top. I feel like my friend Laura would look super cute in these earrings. I should probably send them to her, but I have been lacking on shipping things to people lately. I used to send people like care packages all the time. I think that was before COVID, and I think COVID sucked out my joy. And working from home has sucked out my joy. So I got to get back into it because I really did appreciate, or not, I really did love when people got stuff from me and they'd say they really liked it. So we need to get back into doing that. That was pre-YouTube for the most part. All right, so I'm going to do the last loop at the top. And if you can't tell, this is a glass bead. These two are polymer clay. I just have a beetle on ear wire. And there's our first yummy pair of earrings. Aren't those so much fun? Like, I want to wear them. I want to wear all of these earrings that we're going to be making today. One I've decided to keep for myself, and it'll be the one pair of Christmas earrings that I wear this year on one day, on Christmas. Because I can wear them for maybe like 2 or 3 hours before I start having issues for one day out of maybe the month. So that'll be the pair that I wear this year. But anyway, isn't that super cute? Not this one. We're coming up on it. The next pair, we're going to be using the cute little ice skates and a flower. I think this came from Bargain Bead Box, but it's almost the perfect match for that rose that's on there. I got out some Soft Flex in green emerald. It's like the perfect match for the leaves. And a Soft Flex, or actually I think this is a beetle on ear wire. I also have one Soft Flex crimp tube and my crimping pliers. I'm just going to cut off a piece of wire. It doesn't matter, it doesn't need to be that long. I'm going to come through my skate, equal on both sides, as close as you can. And then I'm going to take my flower and put one through the back and one through the front. And pull those down. And as you can see, that became pretty uneven. There we go. And I don't really care. The flower's going to kind of move around a little bit. So then I am going to put both pieces through my crimp tube. Move that crimp tube down to about there. And then I'm just going to take one of those wires and bring it back down after creating a loop at the top through the crimp tube. The other one's going to stay up. And you just want to take your time because this can get a little confusing having the wires looping around, doing different things, but just go slowly, you'll be okay. And I'm going to try and get that loop to face the front and get it to be smaller. There we go. So I'm going to take my bead, my crimpers. Now this is where you kind of got to do some finagling. I want the crimp, like the fold, to be in the back of the earring. So I need the pointy part of my largest valley to be on the back and the negative part to be on the front because I want it to fold in the back. I hope that makes sense. So I'm going to bring this around and crimp. So it's see it bowed out. If I had flipped the crimpers the other way, it would have bowed in. So then I'm going to turn that 90 degrees and squish again, and then move them up the crimping pliers. And I just did that because in the back, it's going to show a fold. In the front, it's going to look like a silver bead. Then I'm going to take my nippers and get up in there. Now, yesterday I cut a main wire, so we got to be real careful and only cut the tails. There we go. Grab my ear wire. Let me tell you, making this second earring was a lot easier than the first one, now that I knew what I was doing. And here we go. We have a cute little ice skatey pair of earrings. Oh my gosh, my mom is gonna love these. Hopefully, she'll probably watch the video now that I'm thinking about it. Now that I say I hope she doesn't watch the video, she'll probably watch the video, but these are gonna be part of her Christmas present. Aren't those so sweet? Oh my gosh, she's gonna love those. I love them myself. And then next, I said in the unboxing video that I really thought my mom would enjoy these, so we're gonna make another pair of earrings. This one we are going to use a jump ring, feed that through my loop, or the hole in the pendant. Close that up. And then I'm going to set that aside for a second. I have an eye pin. Then there were some really fun beads that Heidi sent in the thank you pack. So I grabbed 3 of those. This really fun crystal AB. Then I'm going to put on 2 smaller sheriff stars from my stash. This really cool crystal. And then this cute little check glass saucer. Love it. Then I am going to just make a loop, but I need the loops to face the same way on these, on this. So it'll go through the jump ring like that, and then the ear wire at the top. So I need these to face the same way. So here, just gonna go around, and I'm not doing a wire wrapped loop. I'm just kind of getting it. It's easier to make the loop this direction by doing it like that instead of cutting first. So I hope my rambling makes sense. I'm just going to cut that right there. Fix that up. And then open these up at the, open up the jump ring. Slide that on. And then we have a fun, wacky, bright colored pair of earrings. Oh my gosh, these steal the show. Okay, I really want to wear these too. But I guess, you know, it's funny because when my mom's around and she's wearing them, I kind of get, you know, the same satisfaction as if I was wearing them without the pain. So I think these are so cute. Oh my gosh. They're so sparkly, and they just like the life of the party, which that's how I would exactly describe my mother. If you knew her, you'd love her. She is hilarious. All right. And then last but not least, I got these from Heidi last year, and I kind of hoarded them, and I'm actually so in love with this pair of earrings that I think I'm going to keep it myself. I also got these last year from her, the little candy canes. And then in her little thank you gift, there was a red crystal, and then I got out a tiny daisy spacer from my stash. I'm going to use some 22 gauge wire. At least that's what I think this is. It doesn't have the label on it anymore, but I'm pretty sure I got it from Hobby Lobby a while back. All right, so I'm going to stick my wire through the top of the gingerbread house, and we don't need much on the back. I'm going to bring up the front. This is also a way that you could have made this earring, but I wanted to show 2 different ways to hang the pendants. Actually, 3 different ways to hang the pendants, because I feel like sometimes we all get in the, oh, we need to just wire wrap it on mentality, or at least I do. Let me say I do. And I forget, you know, there are other ways to connect things. So just giving you, if you needed a refresher, or to get you out of your a rut or your typical design space, try something new. All right, so I'm going to just do a couple of those towards the back. Cut my tail. And look, that's finished with glitter on the back. It's so cute. I just love, love, love these. She hand shades these, hand paints them. Gosh, love them. Then I'm going to slide on my candy cane, my crystal. I cannot believe we're almost finished with this video. It was very fast. And then, oh my gosh, it's just so sweet. I love it so much. So then again, I need this one to go sideways. So I'm going to turn my piece. I am going to wire wrap a loop at the top. Oop. So adorable. I can't stand it. It makes me so happy. And then just do a couple wraps. Like that. Here we go. And then snip. Then I busted out a really cute ear wire. This came from Beetaholic. But you can also make these. I have a video showing somewhere, and I'm sorry I don't know where, showing how to make ear wires. And then we'll go ahead and slip that on. And favorite pair of Christmas earrings ever. Aren't those so sweet? Oh man, I wore this bracelet today. I forgot I wanted to wear the wreath bracelet, but this was day 1 bracelet. Hopefully day 4 is already made. Day 5, hopefully I'll remember to wear that wreath bracelet. Y'all really love that one, which makes me so happy. But anyway, let me know which of the 4 pairs of earrings was your favorite. Gingerbread, ornament. Gosh, these ornaments are so cute. The ice skates, which I love, love, love. Or candy. Aren't those yummy? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Heidi for being an amazing artist. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I said this in the last video. I'm trying to grow my Instagram following. So if you're on Instagram, please check me out at Turquoise.Street. I hope you have a good day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Goldie, are you hiding again? Goldie, you hiding? Goldie, are you hiding? Goldie. Goldie. Hi, buddy. Hi. She could not care less today. All right, I'll cover you back up. Bye-bye.